I'm Lance Gabriel, licensed contractor and project manager at Bell Plumbing and Heating. Whether you have a new Rheem system or want to achieve the best efficiency from your current system, here are some basic maintenance procedures to keep it running at peak performance. The old adage, out of sight, out of mind, is not a good plan to follow with your heating system. Show your furnace some love. Visit it monthly. Performing a few easy checks once a month can save you hundreds or even thousands in repair and replacement costs. To maximize efficiency and extend the life of your furnace, airflow is critical. A dirty filter is the primary cause of breakdowns. Set a reminder on your calendar the same day every month to change or clean your filter. It's an inexpensive way to make sure your system lasts. For safety's sake, keep the area around your furnace as clutter-free and clear of dust, pet hair, and dirt as you can. Today's systems are very technologically advanced, but there are some things you can check before calling a service professional if you aren't getting heat in your home. First, check all of your intake grills and air supply registers to make sure that they are open and clear of any blockage. If your unit has a separate power switch, make sure it's turned to the on position. Check your breakers or fuses, make sure they haven't tripped or blown. If you find a tripped breaker or a blown fuse and they continue to fail, then the circuit is pulling too much power and you need to call a service technician. Next, check your thermostat. Make sure it has power and fresh batteries. And make sure it's turned to the right setting for the season, heat or cool. You may want to try turning up the thermostat 5 degrees, see if the system kicks on. When spring rolls around, it's time to check your air conditioning system. If you find something wrong, you want to get a service call scheduled before the first day of summer. Make sure the unit is clear of all debris. If you have plants, shrubs around your unit, cut them back. Give at least 2 feet clearance on each side. If your AC isn't starting up, make sure the disconnect switch is on. Once again, check the breaker, fuse, and thermostat. If you have animals, particularly dogs, you may want to keep an eye on them to make sure they aren't substituting your air conditioner for a fire hydrant. Over the long term, this animal behavior will cause serious damage to your air conditioner. And what's the #1 maintenance job every month? Yes, change your filter. Most people forget that no matter the season, air still flows through your filter before it circulates through your home. After checking all of these things that we've talked about, if you're still having issues, it's time for a service call. On behalf of Bell Plumbing and Heating, thank you for your time and stay comfortable.